leak detection and sewer line repair. Pipe leaks and repairs are an unfortunate necessity of any home, regardless of the possibility that each other piece of a home's water lines and channels are above code. An effective sewer line heading far from the home can result in an incredible numerous issues all its own. In a few cases this may wind up being a mortgage holder's obligation, however exactly as normal are civil sewer replacement, which are taken care of by the city or the nearby water organization. A mixed bag of diverse issues can conceivably be recognized as either creating or coming about because of a harmed sewer line. At the point when recognized, sewer line repairs ought to be embraced as fast as would be prudent to stay away from more genuine issues which can come about because of harm to more seasoned channels. In numerous regions, old sewer lines were developed from ceramic materials, instead of PVC, which frequently succumb to disintegration, decay and infiltration from root development. Cutting-edge development routines oblige that underground lines are introduced as substantial obligation PVC as opposed to permeable materials which permit untreated sewage to leak into the neighborhood groundwater. Shockingly, nothing obliges that undamaged segments of the sewer line be supplanted in this manner, frequently in light of the fact that it might be restrictively costly to do so. In many ranges, metropolitan sewer line repair are administered by various nearby and area codes, where the harm is found is typically the deciding component for who is in charge of the repair. However, in various ranges the repair of a sewer line is dependably the obligation of the city as opposed to the mortgage holder. A broken line inside a mortgage holder's property line turns into their obligation, while harm outside their property turns into the obligation of the city or the water organization which administers it. Regardless of who is in charge of the repair, there is one thing which is sure. It will be extensive and badly arranged for anybody it affects, paying little heed to the area of the harm. Ignoring drain problems can lead to major issues with your plumbing and leave you spending more than you thought. Therefore, get a good Dallas sewer line repair company to perform repairs and maintenance services in your residential and commercial buildings. You will need a professional pipe repair and leak detection services. Sewer lines form an important part of any building project and are also prone to problems such as clogging, root growth, pest infestation and leakage. Sometimes the problem could be somewhere in the middle of the line where it is impossible to reach and may require professional tools, digging and extensive cleaning. Major drain problems are best left to the Dallas sewer line repair professionals as they are qualified and equipped with the right tools to resolve drain-related problems. What services you should expect from plumbing professionals? When you have a problem with your drains at home or commercial buildings, then you need a good plumbing company to provide appropriate solutions and carry out the repair services in a safe manner and in quick time. When you hire a professional Dallas sewer line repair company, you can expect them to call you 30 to 60 minutes before their arrival and not charge you for the trip. Arrive in uniform in a plumbing van equipped with all the tools, inspect the problems, discuss your options, offer the right kind of advice, use only high-quality materials, provide upfront pricing and warranty information, provide written warranty, support you with good service and leave a clean job site. Useful sewer line repair tips. Broken or clogged sewer lines can be difficult problems to deal with as they can cause dirty water to flow back into the drainage system, back to the commode and eventually on the bathroom floors and raise a dirty stink. Therefore, in order to eliminate such problems you need to hire a professional Dallas sewer line repair company immediately, but before that use the following tips. Determine the cause of the problem. Don't try cleaning it yourself as use of improper tools can further increase the damage. Beware of repair salesmen. Shop around for the best service providers and repair deals and hire a company that is aware of all the plumbing codes. Broken sewer line can be brought about by various factors. Accumulation of muck and grease can clog pipes. Even tree roots can be a culprit for this. It can penetrate the pipe and later plug it up totally. sometimes, it just plainly rots away or breaks on their own. So when can you tell that it is broken and needs to be repaired? Once your house smells like sewage, toilet starts to flush slower than the usual, or you notice some white patches in your backyard, then you probably need help. Sewer line repair is necessary if you notice one or two of the mentioned problems. This is not an easy job for just any man in the house, so you will need the services of an expert plumber in Dallas, Texas. Even though PVC pipelines are meant to last for roughly 100 years, there are still some, which are still made of clay tile or steel. Replacement of pipelines can be very expensive. This is the reason why many people opt for sealants to patch the area where the damage is. Little did they know that it won't completely fix the problem and could even lead to bigger and more expensive damage later. If you really want to efficiently manage the problem without surprising yourself with a bill, have an expert come to your house to assess the damage. From there, they will tell you the estimated cost of the repair as well as the details of the repair. Are you contemplating remodeling one's home's kitchen area or lavatories? Are you thinking that all that's necessary is one particular long end of the week to do the trick yourself? While household change shows may make DIY kitchen area and washroom renovating seem simple, they're truly two of the most extremely confounded ventures it is possible to tackle in your home for a pair of reasons: power as well as water. Electrical operate and conduits oblige the help of an expert on your North Dallas, Texas household, regardless to the fact that your task is really a little one particular. In situation you're just supplanting ledges as well as apparatuses within the kitchen or within the lavatory, you'll require the help of a renovator to legally introduce your installations with all the goal they work efficiently. In situation you're supplanting equipment like dishwashers as well as ice production household fridges, a handyman have to introduce virtually any apparatus which obliges any water supply. In situation you're absolutely gutting one's kitchen or even restroom, it's far more critical to get master guide. Odds usually are, you'll be changing your format from the room, which means redirecting electrical wires as well as pipes or even gas lines inside your North Dallas, Texas home. A renovator has the majority of the instruments as well as expertise to assist you to finish one's remodel. Great conduits help on your North Dallas, Texas home is actually fundamental, not just for as well as or moving water as well as gas supply lines and adding new apparatuses as well as fixtures, nevertheless for introducing sinks, bathtubs, lavatories, gives as well as junk Geneva Shimanics transfers. Furthermore, they may make machine as well as apparatus proposals which can help you extra vitality as well as cash, comparable to tank-less water radiators, low-stream lavatories and Energy Star apparatuses. Should you right now amidst any DIY kitchen area or lavatory redesign which hasn't gone just how you'd trusted, and Pro Handyman can manage whatever concern you've knowledgeable, or even whatever issue you have made, to get better your restructuring task on calendar. In your kitchen. In the presentation that you've helped within the kitchen, your waste transfer might get hammered. A large number of people don't mull over compelling exactly what grounds within the sink lower the junk transfer having a cooking teaspoon. The concern is that many waste Geneva Shimanics transfers aren't willing to handle everything, not in any case each type of nourishment flotsam as well as jetsam, so guide your Sue's fabulous specialists to repay consideration on which they devote the shift. Within the bathrooms. Certainly, even spouse and children can be a bit higher-handed in relation to another personal pipes, therefore verify these people comprehend things to flush lower the can easily and what to put in the spend. This is especially vital with kids as well as youthful grown-ups, who believe the latrine is surely an otherworldly vortex that could suck everything, discouraged coming from toys to be able to potato chip sacks. Grown-ups can easily flush band helps, medications, child baby wipes, clean soft cushions, tampons as well as paper bath towels. Hair can easily without much of an expand get stuck inside your sink's pee trap, along with cleanser filth and toothpaste. Although toothpaste as well as cleanser down payment are unavoidable, verify them. Utilize any tissue or even bathroom tissue to obtain air and input it in your rubbish can easily, rather than wanting to flush it down your sink or even down your tub. Sales channel.